So I guess we're back for part two, but that was total confirmation with the doorbell ringing. Definitely, the spirit guards were sounding the alarm. That was confirmation of what we're saying. We're no longer stuck. The alarms are ringing for us. Bells are being, going off, and spirit just wants you to know that you can connect those dots. Okay. Any other messages? Knight of Swords. Definitely in command of your thoughts. Like, this is the truth. You're standing your ground. You're allowing yourself to elevate. You've already made the decision. You've put down all the rest of the swords and you've come to one, final conclusion, just one final thought. You understand? Same like the butterflies are around you, hope and presence. Like, what did I say? Like, connecting the dots. Like, literally, like, these could be each time each time the bells were going off, each time there was, something that they wanted you to see. Like, literally, the butterflies are all around you. You are sitting there, literally out there, looking straight ahead. You're really, thinking that you're on this quest alone, and it's like literally like the spirit guides are speaking to you and letting you know that you are not there. We might not be there in a physical sense or in a physical body, but even in these beautiful butterflies, we allow you to know in this element that we are here with you. And that's what they want you to see. Thank you. That's beautiful. You're trying to do the work. You're trying to progress. They see you. They want you to know that you're doing the work. They want you to know that they see you. They acknowledge all the things that you're putting in, all the things that you're trying to achieve. This is you building. You literally come out of the Five of Pentacles in reverse and you're building to the Eight of Pentacles. You're trying to build a structure that is going to be firm and strong for you. Literally, like, it's like you have the Eight of Swords in reverse, right? And you go from having the Eight of Swords to building and creating the Eight of Pentacles. Like, you literally come out of this mind structure where you're no longer balanced. You come to an ideal and you know that you're very much supported in this truth. You're no longer stuck and walking away from the situation, but then you're beginning to build your harvest. You're beginning to allow the things that are around you to be equipped for you. Let's do overall energy, spirit. Overall energy, overall outcome. Anything else? Overall outcome. A couple of cards to come out. Let's see. I see the star card in the mist. Wanted to flip out. One more card. Sign. Look, even with this one, we have it ready to come out. The Ace of Swords. This is the truth. Like, overall card. Thank you, Spirit. King of Wands energy. There's even in a lot of readings, like feminine, masculine, take it as you will, but in a lot of the readings, I just feel like maybe I might have a lot of masculine watchers. I don't know. But the overall energy have been king status, like elevating. So you literally have done the work and you turn yourself into a king of wands. Like, you literally, like, even if you check out the Eight of Pentacles and you take one of these, it's like you were building little pinnacles to secure something that was even bigger, like even greater. With this one, it's like almost like a shield, or can be considered like, the biggest pinnacle. So like you're definitely recreating yourself, and that's what spirit guide wants you to know. Like right now, you might definitely not be feeling like you can really embody this energy, but that's what they want you to know, and they want you to know that you can do the work, and you're not alone in doing this work. Like you really have everything that is supporting you, as long as you connect the dots, as long as you know, allow yourself to really, really, really look around you. Like I said, they might not even be there in the physical sense or in the physical body, but they're definitely around you in different elements and different lights that might all synchronize and connect all together at once. Beautiful. But that's what I have for you, Geminis. But let's see, because I'm also getting. Hmm, hmm. Like for some of you, this might even be like a past lover. Um, wow. Whew, the moon, right? Um, for some of you, this might even be a past lover who's moved on. Let me see something. I don't know. I'm just getting this weird energy. Like I keep hearing, like they want you to know that, like they're they're there. Like I'm here. That's all I keep hearing. Like I'm here. I'm here with you. I'm here with you. Like I don't know. Almost like somebody's really trying to connect and say that. Like I said, I don't know why I even kept saying, wow, not maybe not even in the physical body, but they want you to know in multiple ways. So I feel like this person may even be somebody who is passed on or is crossed over in the afterlife. They keep saying like, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, like you're not alone. So I keep hearing a person saying like, I'm alone in this world, I have nobody or whatever. And I see this person saying like, I'm showing you in multiple ways, and maybe even like I said, through doorbells, alarms, or like ringing a door, maybe like somebody's like, I don't know. But this person's passed over, and they want you to know that they connect in multiple ways, and that you should connect the dots, and you should know in multiple ways that this person is allowing you to know that you're secure, and they're there for you, and they're around you. So I don't know. That was just a message. Like I keep hearing, like like I'm not alone. Like just trying to like confirmation, or just letting the person know, like no matter how you may think or see things, like you're not alone. Like in many ways, I'm always around you. I'm always showing you that you are loved and that you are guided. So let's see. I'm gonna change the deck. Let's see. Change the energy. Wow, because that's really really, really powerful. I really feel um, like sad, because I feel like this person just, that's all this person wants you to know. Like it's like the minute that you know that, then you can evolve and you can elevate. Like I don't know. That message is not for everybody. Not Definitely not for all my Geminis, but I'm pretty sure. So we have the Ace of Pentacles. You are definitely finding your truth. You're finding the things that you can materialize in the physical world, the things that you can take joy in. Like I said, you might have been looking around you and you might not have been seeing those things or ways that you could connect and manifest in the physical, but now you are. You're really on that journey. You're really seeking. You're really taking the time to, like she say, like she's holding it. She's really taking her time to study it and see how she can involve it and see how she can grow this thing that she has. So That's wonderful. But that's what I have for you, Geminis. If you would like to book a reading with me, you can do so with the information in the description box. And other than that, I'll see you later.